This police officer accidentally entered wrong license plate number. It came back as stolen motorcycle, and because of that, this biker got pulled over. Check out the rest.
Hey man, go and help us back real quick.
Officer, I would like to let you know that I have a license to carry.
I know, well, thank you, appreciate you. So I ran your license plate, and I think I ran it wrong. One way I ran it was a stolen license plate out of Harris County. So I'm double checking to make sure it's not a stolen license plate or stolen bike. That's all it is.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a weapon on you anywhere?
I do.
Where's that?
It's on inside of waistband, Glock 43, small of that. Inside of the waistband, Glock 43.
Okay, so you're all good, man. So I was running license plates, and I ran yours, and it came back. So I ran 229 David, 3 David, and that was stolen. I didn't see out at night, and we kind of.
Gotcha. I was wondering why you were so close. I didn't know you were a cop. I was into like.
No, that was me. I saw your license plate. I'm like, I can't see it, but like I think that's a D instead of a.
I was speeding up because I was like, I don't know why this guy is like right on my ass, but I wasn't trying to like, you know, just shoot off or anything like that.
Yeah, you're good.
So.
Alright, man. Well, do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna. It's in this pocket right here.
Yeah, so I can. I'll take it off here.
It's small inside of my waistband. It's on my back.
On your back?
Yeah.
Alright, man. So here you go. Here's your IDs back.
Thank you, sir.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give back your gun. I'm gonna put it in your backpack, okay?
Gotcha.
I wouldn't fault you if you did. You say everyone has rights, man.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So, alright, man. You be safe.
You too.
This biker got busted for going 90 on 70 mph road, and also for allegedly unsafe riding.
Good afternoon. The reason I stopped you is for driving over the speed limit. I've obtained your speed between 93 and 90 miles an hour. When you got on the freeway at Mission Road, I was right behind you. When you entered the freeway, I've seen you driving very unsafely throughout the last 10 miles. Is your driver's license?
On Mission Road?
What's that?
You said you saw me on Mission Road?
Yeah, Mission Road when you got on the freeway. From Fallbrook, when you got on the freeway.
We just came from Rainbow. I jumped on
What's that?
we just came from Rainbow. The Rainbow exit.
That's how you get on there, Mission. Is there a reason you're not obeying the speed limit?
I didn't realize I was going that fast. I mean,
Okay, look, I'm kind of giving you an out. I don't want to write you a ticket.
okay.
What you're doing, like I said, I think your speed at 93 miles an hour, and right down here, you're doing about 90. You're
Okay.
just passing everybody. I've seen you pass over 100 vehicles. I'm trying to find out what's going on, why you're driving like that.
Basically, because my buddy's giving me a little time limit to get there. That's all.
Speed limit out here is 70.
Okay.
I don't want you to crash out here. You're splitting traffic, speeding, not even using the normal 1 and 2 lanes. People are going to expect you there. We're going to change lanes, and it's going to cause an accident out here, okay? Hang tight here. I'm not planning on writing you a ticket.
Okay.
I'll give you a warning, but I'll be right back and run your license. Everything checks out okay with your license. I'll let you go without being cited. If you'll just speed up on the shoulder, watch out for the debris.
Okay.
Then pull out into traffic when it's safe and clear. Watch out for that little gap between the asphalt and the concrete. Your front tire can get stuck in that.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, so we'll do this until I get...
Hey, what are you doing?
So before this video starts, I need to add this. We know that this isn't motorcycle video, but still, it's pretty interesting encounter with police. And also, it's on 2 wheels, so take a look.
I'm fine. What do you need?
Twice.
Twice what?
Well, when you came off of 15th down there, you come right up to the fog line without stopping. So when
What
you're
fog
riding a
line?
bicycle, you need to stop. When you come to a stop sign, you have to follow the rules of the road like everybody else. You come off of 91st onto 20th Street, just whip right out into the lane there. That's why those cars are honking at you.
They're honking at you because I had to go around you.
I had my
Because
turn
you
signal. Okay. How about your
turned
ID?
right into the bike lane. I'm going to need to see
I
your
turned into the
bike lane.
bus part.
Yeah, in the bike lane. No, I'm going to need to see your supervisor because this is bullshit. I need your supervisor.
I need your ID.
I need your supervisor.
Okay, I'll get a supervisor.
No, you'll bring him and I'll give him the ID because you're not acting right here.
Can you send me a supervisor?
Yeah. What's your name and badge number?
I just gave you my business card.
I need
Wayne Ackerman, badge number 072, City of Lake Stevens Police Department, just like the business card that I just gave you.
Alright, don't have to cop an attitude.
I'm not. I'm asking you for your ID. You're refusing to give me your ID.
I haven't committed a crime. I haven't committed a crime.
You're not following the rules of the road.
I haven't committed a crime.
When you ride a bicycle, you have to follow the rules.
You are not following the rules of the road either. So.
Okay, so we'll do this until I get.
Hey, what are you doing? You can't put your hands on me without a.
To identify yourself.
I need a superior officer. I need a supervisor. I need a supervisor. I do not consent to this at all. This is kidnapping, as you know. I am not refusing to identify myself. I need to see your supervisor. I will identify myself to your supervisor. I am pleading the fifth.
I just need to make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
I do not consent to your illegal search. I need to see a supervisor. You are illegally searching me. You have now illegally put your hand in my pocket. You have now illegally rubbed your sexually. Why are you sexually molesting me? I do not consent to this kidnapping. I'm losing my backpack because of your illegal handcuffing me. You're wasting my time. Your 20 minutes are about up, buddy. We're about to bounce out of here.
What was that?
Your policy is to identify yourself.
Oh, I'll get you a card before you leave. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Did I get your card yet?
You want my card?
Yes, I do. You're part of this.
I'll get you a card and I'll get you an incident number so you can reference it if you need to.
You're required to give me your card on demand. I'm demanding your card.
Okay.
Right now.
Well, I don't.
That's the policy. I'm
know.
demanding it.
I don't know if it is, but I have no problem giving you my card.
Trust me. Is this your car?
City's car.
I mean, it's my car, but you're driving it?
It's the city's car.
It's my car, I know, but you're driving it, right?
Alright. Phone number and email's on there if you want to email me anything.
Okay. Are we done? Or a citation?
He's going to get it for you. Are you just a Boeing investor or do you work for Boeing?
I don't answer questions.
What was that?
Hey, Mr. Randall, this is the civil infraction for the unsafe lane changes. 3 options on the bottom here on how to respond. Just check one of those boxes. You have the right to pay it, mitigate, or contest it. Fill out your information here. Mail it into this court within 15 days. That's your copy. If you don't have any other questions, you're free to go.
You have any questions for me?
Nope. Yeah, you guys are dismissed. You may leave. Stop harassing me.
Hello.
You alright?
Sure.
I've been following you since the O Bridge.
Yeah.
Alright, you're welcome to record. I'm currently recording as well.
Alright, take my helmet off because I've got earplugs in.
Yeah, feel free. Have you been a motorbike biker for long?
Nearly just over 2 years, I think.
2 years, alright. Your riding is not impressive. Alright, we've been following you since the O Bridge.
Yeah.
You did some weird swervy thing going over the O Bridge. I'm not quite sure what that was about. And on several occasions you've exceeded the speed limit. Have you got the points to your licence at the moment?
No, I don't.
Okay, no worries.
Would you like to see it?
Yes, please, yeah.
Do you want insurance or anything else, or?
No, it's fine. We'll check all that in a
Okay.
sec. Do you know the place to do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Drivers are rubbish. Okay,
Yeah,
if you
I
get
found that
taken
out, yeah.
Alright,
So-
I mean, like I say, just take it steady. Alright,
Yeah,
so
we
it should come through as a speed awareness course.
Okay.
So hopefully you'll feel that.
Yeah, we'll do.
Alright.
Have a good evening.
Que? Que? Qual dos lados? Que? Pode ir? Pode parar aqui, né? No cantinho aqui. Só gravando um videozinho só de boa. Atilio Canestri.
Riding a dirt bike on street probably will get you a lot of attention from police because most of them are not and can't be street legal.
You guys have plates for those?
Yes, we do.
They're on the back.
Okay, checking. I was gonna say OHVs aren't allowed in the state. So
Are they not anymore?
OHVs aren't. If they're plated though, you're good.
Yeah, you take
Oh,
What's his face, man?
Yeah, you guys are good. You got the plates, you're good.
Yeah,
okay, sweet.
that's recent though, right?
No, so OHVs have never been allowed. So like four-wheelers have
Oh.
OHVs if they're not converted. Because technically you should have a horn and mirrors.
Yeah. We do not.
Not that I care.
Get that done. We're working up to them.
No, you got plates. I'm happy with that.
Sweet.
We've had a lot of people ride. That's why I come over to let you guys know you're not in any trouble with it.
Okay.
But as long as they're plated, then they're good.
Okay.
But Rifle never approved it. Silt County allows.
Oh, it was Silt then? Okay, I knew it was somewhere close here because we're from Glenwood.
Yeah, because it's so you can go like from your house to a trail, right? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought.
Rifle never actually was. Okay, that's good to know.
I think Gypsum does it too.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So you guys are good. So,
Sweet.
Because I just wanted to let you know before we're not ripping around town, but you guys got plates, so have fun.
Right on.
Sweet.
Perfect. You have a good one.
Those plates saved us. Wow, I am so happy we have plates.
We totally just played them though.
You guys don't know, these plates are from our old Supermotos.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.